Hello everyone and welcome to TechAvro. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to see Instagram profile picture. Now straight off the bat, you cannot really see Instagram profile picture. It's not really possible, but there are ways to do it. So if I go over to, Rock's profile over here, as you can see, nothing I do is doing anything. Like, I'm clicking on it, but it's not really working. What's the other way to actually see this profile picture? It's not really possible on a mobile phone, but on a PC it's pretty simple. All you want to do is hold your control key and scroll upwards, and that's gonna zoom in. And when you're zoomed in to this point, I mean, this is you guys can see it on your screen. This is a big profile picture now, but that's the only way of doing it. But other than that, there's actually it's not really possible to see this profile picture. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.